Yo, hi guys, welcome back. So I picked up a couple of things today. First of all, I picked up this Pokeball. I've never opened one of these Pokeballs, so I kind of want to show you guys. And like if you haven't seen one either. So yeah, let's get started onto it. Yeah, let's get started. Oh, come on. What's easiest? There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Come on. Very well packaged, which is good at least. Okay, so I can't remember. Is this Master Ball? It's very nice, very well made. How do you open it? Just there we go. Put it. Oh, I've seen a lot of these packs usually are a little bit battered. Oh, nice, sweet. So we got a Lost Origins pack. Lost Origins. Got a Fusion Strike. And a Silver Tempest as well. That's not bad packs. We could pull. Chance. Imagine if we pulled that Giratina, and then two little stickers as well. It's pretty cool. So we'll start off with the Silver Tempest. Now I can't remember the card trick. I think it's 4th on the back. With 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we'll do it this way. We're going to do it this way. It's a little bit more complicated. With a Lopunny, Serene, Renew. Was that? I can't read that from here. Rotom, Bunnery, Dreepy. Oh, there's something in the back. Get Fletchling, Chinchou. Oh, we got the Regieleki V. I'll take that. It's not too bad. Just get that on the card sleeve quickly. I'll take that. That's all right. Could be worse. Could be absolutely nothing. Let's go, first one. And then what was that? The Chinchou. Right, next one up, we're going to do the Fusion Strike. Oh, that was a very satisfying packet. Like, really easy to open that pack. There you got the code card there as well. 3, 4. Okay, so energy. We got the Centiskorch, Fusion Energy, Turtonator, Carvana, yeah, Clamperl, Morpeko, Skarmory, the Shelmet, the Slugma, and oh, Vikavolt. Damn, nothing in that pack. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, so satisfying to open that. Go. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got energy. What's that? Lake Orsity, Nuzleaf, Energy, Snoover, Rhyhorn, Machop, Pikachu, Jinx, oh, the Hollow Lickitung, and oh, Galarian Berserker V. We will take that. That's alright. It's not great, but it's okay. So that's, guys, that's what you could potentially get. You can obviously get way better from a Pokeball. And yeah, there you go. That's what you get inside the Pokeball.